Aztec Washer Company presents another one of its products. Master Flash Low Profile and Master Flash Multi-Flash Low Profile. Special sealing boot for sidewall and low profile applications, cooling lines, ventilation, heating, mini splits, pipes, ducts, cables, and wires. Specifically designed to seal, avoiding the penetration of moisture, dust, air, and bugs. And to place it on vertical concrete walls, corrugated metal walls, and walls of light construction. Made of EPDM rubber with 4 available colors: black, dark gray, light gray, and the one of FDA white silicone for high temperature pipes. Resistant to all types of weather and with a guarantee of 20 years. Available in 3 sizes to seal. From 0 to 12.5 inches or from 0 to 318 millimeters. 5 easy steps for installation in standard applications for the Master Flash Low Profile. Number 1. The diameter of the pipe is identified. Number 2. Cut 20% less than the measurement. Number 3. Slide and adjust to the surface. Number 4. Apply sealant. And number 5. Form and complete. And for the Master Flash Multi-Flash Low Profile, which is the same sealing boot but to seal pre-existing installations, there are 6 easy steps for installation in retrofit applications. Number 1. The diameter of the pipeline is identified. Number 2. Cut 10% less than the measurement. Number 3. Wrap around and adjust. Number 4. Crimp the stainless steel gripper. Number 5. Apply sealant. Number 6. Form to wall and complete. Another product of Aztec Washer Company.